Welcome to the fourth lecture of GRE 3500 words vocab. The first word is ambivalence, which means the state of having conflicting emotional attitudes. The synonyms of ambivalence are uncertainty, indecision, doubt, hesitation, confusion, torn feelings, vacillation, mixed emotions, conflict, irresolution. Antonyms of ambivalence are certainty, clarity, conviction, assurance, confidence, determination, firmness, resolution, decisiveness, commitment. The next word is ambrosia. Ambrosia means something delicious, the food of the gods. The combination of flavors in the Moroccan baked eggplant was pure ambrosia. The adjective is ambrosial. Ambrosia is a noun, ambrosial is an adjective. The food critic praised the chef for preparing what he called an ambrosial meal. Ambrosia and ambrosial are related to the Greek mythology. Ambrosia and nectar were the delicious and fragrant food and drink of the gods that gave them immortality. The English word nectar, from Greek word nectar, means a sweet liquid secreted by flowers or delicious drink. The synonyms of ambrosia are delicacy, delight, treat, gourmet food, heavenly food, nectar, luxury in food context, feast, delectable, delight dish. Antonyms of ambrosia are disgust, rubbish in food context, unpleasant food, junk, trash, nauseating dish, offense, slope, garbage, spoiled food. The next word is ameliorate, which is a verb. Ameliorate means to improve something that is unsatisfactory or bad, improve a situation or condition. The new policy was implemented to ameliorate working conditions for all employees. The synonyms of ameliorate are improve, enhance, better, upgrade, refine, boost, ease, relieve, mitigate, reform. Antonyms of ameliorate are worsen, aggravate, deteriorate, degrade, exacerbate, harm, impair, damage, decline, weaken. The next word is amenable, which means willing to agree or to accept something. The synonyms of amenable are agreeable, cooperative, responsive, willing, obedient, compliant, receptive, accommodating, docile, submissive. Antonyms of amenable are uncooperative, stubborn, resistant, defiant, inflexible, unwilling, obstinate, rebellious, unresponsive, rigid. The next word is amenity. Amenity is a noun, something that helps to provide comfort, convenience, or enjoyment. The synonyms of amenity are facility, convenience, comfort, luxury, feature, service, benefit, perk, pleasure, advantage. Antonyms of amenity are discomfort, inconvenience, hardship, nuisance, drawback, disadvantage, obstacle, irritation, burden, impediment. The next word is amulet. Amulet is a noun. Amulet means a trinket or piece of jewelry usually hung about the neck and thought to be a magical protection against evil or disease. The synonyms of amulet are talisman, charm, good luck charm, token, trinket, pendant, medallion, mascot, protective charm, fetish, in the traditional or magical sense. Antonyms of amulet are curse, hex, jinx, spell, evil eye, bad omen, blight, misfortune, third fortune, maliscone, archaic word for curse. The word is anachronism. Anachronism means something belonging to the wrong time. Anachronism, something out of the proper time. Some experts regard the retirement age of 65 as an anachronism at a time when people in the developed world have much longer life expectancies than previously. The synonyms of anachronism are misplacement in time, chronological error, outdated custom, old-fashioned idea, relic, throwback, fossil, antiquated notion, obsolete thing, time warp. Antonyms of anachronism are modernity, timeliness, relevance, trendiness, up-to-date element, contemporary idea, present-day concept, innovation, novelty, modern innovation. The word is analgesics. Analgesic means drugs that selectively inhibit the perception, sensation of the pain. The synonyms of analgesics are painkiller, anesthetic, in some context, pain reliever, sedative, opiate, narcotic, palliative, calmant, soother, relief medication. Antonyms of analgesics are pain inducer, irritant, stimulant, harmful substance, aggravator. Analogous is an adjective which means comparable. The psychology researchers' experiment postulates that the brain is analogous to a digital computer. Analogy is a noun meaning a similarity in some ways between things that are otherwise dissimilar. The idea of evolution in nature is sometimes misconstrued and applied by analogy to other areas in which there is second evidence for its existence. A notable example of this is social Darwinism, in which it is argued that the society is like nature and thus people, like animals, are competing for survival with those who are genetically superior at surviving and reproducing. Analog is a noun meaning something that is comparable to something else. Some commentators have posited the existence of an analog to the Protestant work ethic in Chinese culture, which they call the Confucian work ethic, to explain the economic success of some countries with large Chinese population. What are the other words for analogous? Corresponding, similar, comparable, like, parallel, akin, correspondent, equivalent, alike, kindred. Antonyms for analogous are dissimilar, unlike, unrelated, disparate, different, diverse, unalike, heterologous, homologous, alien. The synonyms of analogy are similarity, resemblance, correspondence, parallel, likeness, similitude, comparison, affinity. Antonyms for analogy are difference, dissimilarity, unlikeness, disagreement, contrast. The synonyms of analog are analogy, parallel, linear, counterpart, equivalent, match, twin, friend, duplicate, clone. Analog means something comparable or similar. Its antonyms are dissimilar item, opposite, contrast, unrelated thing, incongruent, mismatch. The given word is anarchy, which is a noun, a state of lawlessness and disorder, usually resulting from a failure of government. The synonyms of anarchy are disorder, lawlessness, chaos, confusion, riot, turmoil, rebellion, revolution, misrule, disorganization. Antonyms for anarchy are order,
government, lawfulness, organization.